So Jaina Ramayana is little bit interesting. We start from the later part of 11th century or early part of 12th century. It describes the Ramakatha through Jaina Parampara and has the story of Udatta Raghava Charita. It's a Jaina traditional story it is. The content of the Kavya, Nagachandra's Ramayana, the content of Kavya differs from that of the Valmiki Ramayana in all the ways. In all the ways. The Rama from the Kavya is known as Baladeva, one among the Trishashti Shalaka Purushas. It's by Nagachandra. And Lakshmana is Vasudeva. And Ravana is Prativasudeva. And Lakshmana is the one who kills Ravana, not Rama. Lakshmana did the thing. And Sita is not depicted as Ayonije. Rather than she is the sister of Prabhamandala and the actual daughter of Janaka. Sugriva and Hanuman are not at all copies. And they are bearing the flag of Kapi, or they are known as Kapi Dhwajas. They cross the ocean as they know Akashagamini Vidya. Because of that Vidya, they are able to cross that ocean. And Kapi Dhwajas are the relatives of these Rakshasas who are in Lanka. They are the relatives. Hanuman is described as the son in law of Ravana's sister. It is there like that only. And Ravana is the king of Kecharas, the people who move in Akasha, and not the king of Rakshasas. Hanuman is not a brahmachari in Nagachandra's Jaina Ramayana. He is married, and there is no mention of Putrakameshti Yaga, Maya Jinke, and Manthara episodes in Nagachandra's Jaina Ramayana. And Ravana is the follower of Jainism. And all the battles what he did, the Aneka Yuddha, and he did those things for the establishment of Jainism only. And he's a very good man. Ravana is depicted as one who is virtuous and follows the rule of Pragnana Virativrata. And Ravana is so matured, and he is a very handsome man, and he is having a very good characters. But when he saw Sita, and Nagachandra writes as Abdhiyum Varma Kala Vashadim Maryadayam Dantade. How a ocean moves when it gets Bharadas, Ubbaras. Like that, by chance, Ravana made a mistake. Otherwise, he's a very good man. For that, they'll give an illustration and of Uparambhe of Nalakubara, and he teaches no, the wife of Nalakubara, she is in love with Ravana. He said no, Ekapatni or Ekapati is the correct thing. You must go back. This is Ravana, but whatever had happened with Rama, Sita, and all these things, it's by the plant and plan of Vidhi only. Otherwise, Ravana is a very good king. This is the Jaina Ramayana.